Afternoon, magandang hapon po sa lahat, lahat ng kasama namin sa media. Tama sinabi nyo, this event is really filled with so much excitement. Alam naman po natin lahat ng tayo mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo mag-celebrate, mahilig tayo sa fiesta, mahilig tayo sa party. And which makes it all the more special because this coming event tomorrow is definitely going to be something especially para sa amin. Kasi we have so much joy that we want to share, especially with our Kapuso here in the Middle East, particularly in Dubai. Kaya nga marami po kaming hinanda na sorpresa at mga masasayang gawain para sa ating mga Kapuso dito. And what makes it also more special is that also Julian is with us, and we will be meeting our mga kababayan dito, yung mga Kapuso natin, who's been here for a long time. And not just them, also their families. So it's really going to be one very happy event. You know, that we're all looking forward to. That's why thank you for accepting us warmly. Our visit, especially dito, parati po nagiging memorable. Ako po, particularly, this is my second time. The first time was also with Marian and Kuya Ogie and Ate Regine. And yung experience po namin ngayon so far is equally as happy already. So what more tomorrow? So again, we're looking forward and we're excited to see everybody. So good afternoon.